Okay, ready? Okay, first 2 points. The first basket for the green. Our one Pampanga. Brian Santos, the Jaguar of Pampanga, together with the Black Superman of Atlas. What a line out from the one Pampanga. David point number 2, now on mark. Manala drive. Getting contact with foul for Edward Alcantara. His first foul. Ito yung tinatawag yung 1-3 throw natin. They're now at 3x3. Yes. Good to nothing. Alcantara. Now to Eusebio Santos. Hit. Played by Jesus Velasquez. And there's another whistle for number 1. Brian Santos. From the long 2, look at this. Nanonood po tayo ng Tacta Club 3x3 Basketball Tournament presented by Asset City Clark, powered by Giga Power Hoops and the basket from the orange. The master, sinabot naman, net of the mark, again from the long 2. Number 1, Alcantara, now to Santos. So again, 4-1 is the score. Mark Manala. That's a miscommunication. 8-35. We're still on the qualifying round. Number 3, Mark, that was short. We're now for the Masters. What the pass of Santos? It's a basket from Reynaldo Juarez. Long to Mark. Look good. Alcantara. Nabligyan yan. A rebound for Mark Manala, 4-2. Summer score, lakas pa rin ang ating 1 Pampang. And Mark Manala again from the dip. 6-2. 7-4-5. Out of bounds. Last style for the Orange. Wait. Heads up. Green ball. That's a green ball. That's it for the Orange. Okay. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung oras natin. And that was a good. Kailangan kapag 3v3 talaga kailangan laging alert yung mga players natin dito. It's a foul on. Ano ba? Number 2. The 3, down on the shot clock. That crossover. On you. Sabay naman doon ito si JT Velasquez. Down for the 2. Tag. That was Tiglao. 8-2 shot clock. 1 point each from the 1 pump back. The Jaguar. Getting contact. Apple shooting. And then, find the Jaguar. It's a 3 seconds on the shot clock. The foul is forward. The foul is forward on number 3. Okay, good ball dial. Foul. On number 2, second personal for Mark Manala. Take the ball by Dean Masters, number 3, walking challenge by number 4. Oh, it's up. Down over there. What a nice defense. number green. Fouls. Brian Santos. That is a foul number 15 fouls. 13 fouls. That's a long one. Now more Gulpin. Complete pa rin yun. Number 3. Rebound natin Monty Lau. Pass to number 4. Juarez. Apalis ng basket. And now it's a change speed work. Number 4. The following. Miss. Rebound for number 2. Eusebio Santos. Kilolisan. What is it? Rejection. And number 3. Mark Manala for the tip. That's what the seven is the score. 5 on the shot clock. By the roll. It's a shot clock violation. Substitution. Edward Alcantara goes back for the Masters. Ready? 5 minutes on the big clock. They're the match. Here go number 4, Reynaldo Juarez. Or rather, that was Juan Yubel. Pang-aning na team fouls na po natin yun. Foul on number 4. And now, Mark Manala will go on the free throws. Eight 7 is the score. 1 point from the wall, Pampang. May 4 na pagkuto pa. At 13 segundo. O, 5 segundo pa. Number 3. Mark! Uy, muntik na matuod yung Mark. Kumudadal niya, Mark. Penalty. Ryan Santos to you one. Lost talaga ni Jaguar. The Jaguar. Yes, nasa penalty na tayo. Pangwalong team fouls na po yun ng ating Masters. Another basket, 10-7 is the score in favor for the one Pampanga. Number 1, gonna call foul. Foul on number 4. And that's the 2 points. Deadline down to 1. That can get close, pero the Jaguar once again. 11-9. That's only 2-point lead. May oras pa. 3 minuto pa. Ganyan kabilis talaga yung paglalaro natin PXT. A lot of bounce. Our next game, Malung Malabon versus Corn de Rivera. Low 2. Rivera low 2. You're at 30. Barbara Bishopwa. The Jaguar, another force in the basket. Lakas ang Jaguar ng Pampanga. Sumagot naman. Ito si Sergio Santos. Ball 11. Ilocos action. Foul. At nasa penalty na kanina pa. The 19 fouls. So siyang na team foul po ng ating mga UNT. Aba rin. 3 minutes. More Manala open under. But referee said that is a foul on the ground. That is a not counter. Okay, tumama sa ring. Not valid. Not clear. It's a not clear shot.